You're watching Foxtecc, and in this video I'll show you how to enable pointer control on an iPhone. Let's get right into it. If you're trying to get a pointer or some sort of on-screen dot on your iPhone, you're most likely thinking of the AssistiveTouch feature. It's that floating button you might have seen before, sometimes called the floating home button. It acts as a virtual control center and can help with gestures and other actions. To turn it on, just open the Settings app, scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Under the Physical and Motor section, choose Touch. Then tap on AssistiveTouch and toggle it on. Once enabled, a small dot will appear on your screen. You can move it around and tap it to bring up a menu of functions. What's nice is that you can customize what happens when you single tap, double tap, or long press the button. You can even edit the menu that appears when you open it and add shortcuts to things you use often, like volume control, screen lock, or screenshots. Now, if you weren't thinking of AssistiveTouch, you might have meant using an actual pointer, like from a Bluetooth mouse or trackpad. This works too. Inside the AssistiveTouch settings, scroll down and tap Devices to pair a Bluetooth mouse or trackpad. Once it's connected, a circular pointer will appear on the screen. You can then go into pointer style and adjust how it looks, changing the size, color, and contrast. You'll also be able to customize what the mouse buttons do through the AssistiveTouch menu. One thing to note, Apple's own Magic Mouse doesn't work with the iPhone for some reason, but if you use a third-party Bluetooth mouse, it should work without any problem. Just pair it like you would with any other Bluetooth device and you're set. Thanks for watching Foxtecc. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials. See you later.